This is Saugeen Times on Friday, April 26th, 2019. And we are at Denny's Dam where they are putting transponders into salmon so that they can track them. This is an annual event and, of course, it's raining and it's cold. And we have lots of members here, all volunteers from the Lake Huron Fishing Club and the Steelheaders. This is a very delicate procedure where they carefully weigh the fish, measure the length, the girth, and then they insert the transponder. Once again, this is Saugeen Times at Denny's Dam on Friday, April 26th.